Got one? Uh-oh, got a double on. Got a double on. Huh. Oh, we lost one. He's just holding. That's usually a sign of a pretty decent fish when they sit in one spot and just kind of hold you there. Yeah, he lost it. It jumped and spit the hook. Yeah, his jumped and spit the hook. And he's just holding right there. Like, see your bobber's not moving at all. He's just kind of holding in one spot. There it comes. Yeah.
You may want to pull your drag in a little, Doug. Can't believe that guy spit. He jumped and spit the damn hook.
That happens. You got hard jaws. If you don't get it in there real good, they can spit it out pretty good. I think he's milking this one, don't you?
I think he's milking it too.
Yeah.
He got his drag way.
He don't want no one else.
Way
He don't want
late.
no one else fishing.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Drag, put that, give it some more, tighten that drag a little bit, Doug. Bring her in.
We're all the consensus that you're milking this. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good one in there. It is. Oh.
Yeah, he's a good sized fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There he goes again. Back goes again.
I just don't want him to stop fishing, but if it's big. Yeah, I think it's as big as the one you got.
Nope. stopped dead right in front of the net and I couldn't scoop him. Got you this time. Nice fish.
Holy smokes. Woo.
Look at that thing.
Don't sit back, I got my rod right there.
Watch out now.
Woo. That's a nice sized fish, buddy. How big do you figure that is? Huh?
Probably close to 20 and it's a female too.
Oh, man.
Big female.
Look at the size of it.
It's probably 20 pounds.
Bigger than Jay's?
Yeah.
Mark. That is a big fish. That's a big fish.
Okay, I'll let it go. Oh, you're killing me here. You're killing me. Look at that.
Look, that's a good fish.
Oh, go.